Hey guys, welcome back to Art Adventures. We're going to go ahead and do another drawing at the elementary level. This is another lesson with letters and doing formations of different characters and animals and insects, stuff like that. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and use this same notebook paper that I have, and I'm going to do 4 spaces between each of my letters. That's going to be the height to the base, the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and do a capital E. Okay, I try to make this line a little bit shorter. I think the E's turn out a little bit better once you have that middle line being just a little bit shorter. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to do kind of like a backward C shape right there. You're going to draw another line shorter than this one right over here on the bottom line. You're going to go between these 2 lines and draw a letter C. And then you're going to connect that line on the bottom, turn it into almost like a box. And then you're going to draw a little oval shape like that, color it in. Go ahead and draw some spiky hair if you'd like to draw some spiky hair. If you want to give them a ponytail and make it a girl, that is completely fine. That is completely up to you. So there you go. You have a like a character's head from a side profile. Draw a neck, 2 little sticks. Draw a little V, and then you can draw some shoulders. That'll kind of give you a little bit of a shape. You draw a little line down. This kind of makes it look like an L shape. Okay, do the same thing there. Backwards L. And then almost like the letter 1 without the little stick on the bottom. Backwards number 1. I said letter 1 earlier, number 1. And then you're going to close that off. There's your t-shirt. 2 lines down like that. A little caret, like if you were inserting a word that you forgot in a paragraph or a sentence. Close that off, there's your pants. Just do 2 little lines at an angle for your legs. Very simple, very easy little ovals for your feet. You can do the exact same thing for your hands. 2 long lines, little oval shape with the 2 long lines. And there's your first letter. That's a letter E that we turned into a character. Okay, let's work with an H. Let's see what we can make from the letter H. Again, 4 spaces. In the middle, you're going to draw your line. Above this, you're going to draw a tiny little line going up about halfway through this space. On that line, you're going to draw an oval. It does not have to be perfect, and then you're going to color it in. On this line right here and this line, you're going to draw a little U and a little U. You're going to close it off. You're going to draw a little N or a lowercase n on both corners. Close those. Color them in. You're going to close the top. You're going to give yourself some eyes. Kind of looks like an otter right now, but that is not what we were going for. Draw a line up on both sides. Draw a longer line up on the inside of this. Longer line. Longer line. Now it's kind of looking like a rabbit, but it's not a rabbit. Do a hook like a J and a hook like a J. Color those in. And then on the side or on this side, I'm gonna go on this side, a half moon or half a banana or a half of a smiley face. And there you go, you just drew yourself a puppy. We're gonna do 2 more characters and then we'll be done with this video. So I'm gonna give myself a separation line. You do not have to draw this line. That's just for you guys to have a reference of where you cannot pass. Okay, 4 spaces again. Okay, 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna draw the letter D, a capital D. Okay, you are going to draw this one. You're gonna need an eraser, so make sure you have an eraser. A foot, so it's like an oval, it just doesn't close. You're gonna draw almost like a J shape right there for a second foot. Okay, you're gonna erase the line in the big oval shape that goes through the body. So now you have that opening, that space. You're gonna draw a lowercase u right here. Then you're gonna draw 2 tiny lines on that hand. You're gonna draw on this triangle, or on this line, a little baby triangle upside down to where the point is facing the floor. Draw a J and then an opposite J on this side. 2 little eyes, some eyebrows if you want to draw some eyebrows. You're gonna draw a curve like this, almost like a football shape or an almond. You're going to draw another one coming out of here. I drew a little too big and a little too high close to the line, so mine's touching. You could draw a little one on the inside. You don't have to draw one on this side because this is the back side of the ear. Okay? And then a little tiny fluffy tail. Last thing, you're gonna draw almost like a 90-degree angle, but like another J or curved L shape, and that kind of gives you the rest of the leg for your bunny rabbit. So that's with the letter D, capital D. Last one. 4 spaces. We'll do one more D. Okay, we're gonna go at the front and do this curve right here. Almost looks like an eyeball looking this way. And then you're gonna go in the middle and draw a line that way. So now it splits. You are going to draw a line and another line, but these lines are going to curl and almost look like a lollipop. 2 eyes, and then you can start drawing different size dots and coloring those in. And there you have a ladybug. Last part, 3 legs here, 3 legs there, and there you have it. That's all for today. Next time we'll go ahead and do another elementary level art project, and I'll see you guys then. Peace.